How do you even battle feeling like you're alone? You turn into a lone wolf. You have to focus on yourself. Pep yourself up. Find out the reasons why you love being alive. Find out your passions, your compassions, the things that you can't ration. The things that you won't give up on. The things that make you you. Because when you're alone, you have time to reflect on who you are. You find that self-love, that self-reflection. When you're alone, you have time to become a lone wolf. You fight back.